Welcome back to my channel, and I'm doing another microwave tutorial. And yeah, I'm doing the Knorr Teriyaki rice. And yeah, so I need a 2-quart microwave safe bowl, so I figured this is big enough. So we need that. And then it says 2 cups of water, 1 cup of water, measuring cup. And then you need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or margarine. But I don't want to use vegetable oil, so I'm using butter. And then you put, and the contents of the package is what you need. And then, so first, it says to combine 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or margarine, which is optional for the vegetable oil or margarine. And then you also put the contents of the package in together. So what I do first is I put the package of whatever they have in the package, of course. Ooh, that looks cool. Oh, that's weird though. Oh. So I've done that. Looks different than the ones I'm used to. But, yeah. But it smells good. So I put that in first. Then 2 cups of water. Okay, I'll put the butter in first. Alright. That. 2 cups of water. One cup. Two cups. Alright, so put all those together, and then I'm going to stir it a little. I like to stir it before I put it in the microwave. Alright, then you put it in the microwave. It says microwave uncovered at high about 12 minutes or until rice is tender, stirring once halfway through cooking. So what I'm going to do is put it in for 6 minutes, then stir it, and then put it in for another 6 minutes. 6 minutes, and I will be back to, the next step. It just beeped. So now, I'm going to take it out of the microwave. And stir it. Oh, it looks really good. I would show you guys, but I don't want to spill. Alright, another 6 minutes. Little Whiskey came to say hi. Yeah. I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like And yeah, okay, I'm back now, and the microwave dinged. So now all I have to do is I just took it out, and I'm gonna stir it a little. Looks so good. Alright, show you guys real quick. This is what it looks like. Smells like teriyaki rice. Looks really good. I'll try one bite for you guys. It's good. Really good. I recommend you guys try this. Have a lovely day or night. Bye. Alright. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you really love this video, share it with your friends. Comment down below. And if you want to subscribe for my other videos, subscribe. And right next to the subscribe button is the notification bell that you can click if you want to be notified for my new videos. Have a lovely day or night. Bye.